this is my Carp Bait recipe. What we do is we put in sweet corn, put in plain breadcrumbs, and we put in a pack of red jello. You can use strawberry or cherry or whatever you want. Put that all in there like so. And then we mix it all together. You want to mix it together until it becomes a doughy substance. It's got to be able to stick on the hook or your method lead or whatever device you're using. Yeah, it becomes a Carp Bait. It's gooey. It'll hold. It's a little sticky. Not too much. So if it's too runny, you add in more breadcrumbs. If you're out of breadcrumbs, you can mix in grits or oatmeal to soak up the moisture. If it's too moist, or if it's too dry, then you just add a little more water. I typically tend to do that on the field, use the water that I'm fishing in. And this is it. This is my go-to Carp Bait. This is a variation that I learned from Luke over at Catfish and Carp. He has a bunch of great recipes for Carp Bait, but you'll see this becomes a pretty hard dough ball. Stays on the method lead, and as it sits in the water, it kind of dissolves out, chums the water, and the carp love to pick this up. That's it, guys. That's my Carp Bait recipe.